Okay, so here's I'm going FedEx home delivery 4 business days because I'm going to Seattle, Washington. From Dallas, Texas, Seattle, Washington. I got the weight, 36 pounds in there. Dimensions, 20 by 17 by 13. Now, for that time delivery and everything like that, FedEx, you see the actual transportation cost up there, $44.35. You get free insurance up to $100, but the item is valued at $500, so when they add insurance, more insurance. Estimated total supply is $34.87. So let's see if there is a cheaper way to ship that. It's probably not, but let's just see. Let's go SmartPost. Still FedEx. And actually, SmartPost is higher. Sometimes it's like that. It's $54, so we don't want to go that route. So the cheapest we're going to be able to get it probably. I know Priority Mail we're definitely going to be able to go. So we're looking at $34 so far. Let's add the extra insurance. The clear value is $500. So I add the extra insurance, the clear value, and check the box. Add the insurance, and let's recalculate this thing. So now the total is going to be, the clear values in there. It's charging me $5 for that. So total now is going to be $39, $37, $40. On a $500 item, yes, I will pay that. It's no problem. You got to know your investment costs and everything like that. What you kind of put into the item and stuff like that. And this is my printer, actually. I have a brother printer. My little friends up there. And Hippo reminds me I always used to stay hungry. And don't picture, I might just like a watchdog, you watch out for things, and stuff like that. So it's going to print this label. No packing slip. I never sent a packing slip that said requested. And a lot of time, I have requested not to send one, then to send one. I think I only had one request to put a packing slip in the item, and I did that. But I don't do packing slips because everything is right there. If you're selling from eBay or whatever, everything is right there online that they paid and all that stuff. All the information is right there. Now, usually they return, they put a packing slip in there. I think they follow instructions that eBay say to do, and so they put a packing slip. Anyhow, there was a label, self-adhesive labels. I buy them off eBay, Pro Office. Not all these are created equal. The round the corner ones are lousy. You want to make sure they're square corner and make sure they're good labels. Because when you go to reinsert them, you want them to be on good paper so the printer will accept it easy. And these are laid flat. They lay flat all the time. They flatten out good. They're easy to go into the printer. And so you want to be Pro Office is a great brand and stuff like that. So let me go on and do this. Slap this label on there and get that package out of here. And I hope this video helped y'all out and so forth on packing a sewing machine at least and heavier items. All right, talk to y'all later.